Hello, good evening. This is Qamar Masood sitting again in projection of Pakistan. I'm very fortunate to have a couple of guests in our studio today, and we're going to talk about upcoming events. Also, we're going to show you some clips from the Dil fundraiser dinner, which we did about a month ago. You're going to enjoy the show. I want to welcome on behalf of Projection of Pakistan, Natasha. She is, of course, the founder, I guess, and the creator of Festival, South Asian Festival in Ottawa. And she's joining with Sharif, who is also a member of OSACA. OSACA is the short form of this South Asian Festival, I guess, organization. This is a new organization. Please, you're welcome to Projection of Pakistan. I like to know, and also I think our audience and viewers like to know, how this thing come to an existence, that you're coming up with such a beautiful festival which was overdue in Ottawa.
Well, first of all, I want to thank you, Qamar, for inviting us, and Rogers TV as well. It's a pleasure to be here. So we are a very young organization. So OSACA stands for Ontario South Asian Community Association. We came into existence last year in March, and how the idea came about was, I think Ottawa was in need for a South Asian festival. South Asians represent the largest visible minority group in Ontario. We're one of the largest in Ottawa, and yet we felt that there wasn't much of a presence, and we have so much to share with the larger Canadian community, our food, our culture, dancing, music. There's so much that we can share, and so the idea came together that the city needs it. People go to Toronto, they go to Montreal. This is the heart of Canada. It's Canada's capital. So it was about time. So a bunch of us got together and incorporated OSACA and started working towards putting together the festival.
Great idea. I think, Sharif, would you be able to let us know what kind of events going to take place this time around?
Sure, absolutely. It's a full-day festival, which is July the 17th, and it will be in Confederation Park, which is just across from the Lord Elgin Hotel, and it'll be a free admission, full day of entertainment, so we will have...
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine, yeah. Last year it rained a bit, but the people, South Asians and Canadians are hardy. They're able to deal with the weather, and we had a very good turnout. There was a lot of performers, musical performers. There are some Bollywood dance. There are arts. There's a cricket demonstration we had, and of course, very excellent food vendors. So if you really like South Asian food, there'll be a really nice variety of various different regional dishes that you can come try and bring the whole family, and it's quite a lot of fun, actually.
It sounds very interesting. I think I'm going to ask Natasha, maybe she can shed a little light what kind of attendance you had last year and what you're expecting this time around.
We were very impressed. We definitely exceeded all expectations last year. We estimated, given the amount of food that was sold, that probably over 2,000 people attended the full day event, and we're expecting to target twice as many this time around. And we're expanding. Of course, there's going to be more stalls, more food stalls. There's going to be henna, face painting, yes, a lot of activities for children, and we're also expanding the health section, because one of the objectives was not just showcasing the culture of South Asia, but also talking about some important health and social issues that the South Asian community faces. So for instance, we are at a higher risk of diabetes, heart disease, and a lot of people we find usually will not go to a health symposium per se, but they come to the festival, free admission, they come for food, they come for music, and then we also address some of these important issues. So this time around, we're having a lot of health agencies coming. Last year it was just Ottawa Public Health and the Heart and Stroke Foundation of Ontario, which is one of our largest sponsors. This time we also have the Ottawa Cancer Society, we have Alzheimer's Society, Canadian Liver Foundation, Canadian Blood Services. So it's growing. It's going to be a lot more stalls and a much bigger stage. And as Sharif had mentioned, a lot of performers.
What about entertaining activities? What kind of variety we are expecting there this time around?
This time it's going to be, again, a lot of diversity. So we have a lot of dance, we have a lot of music, so classical music. We have a DJ that's going to end the night with a South Asian style dance party. Even last year, officially we were supposed to close at 8 o'clock, but people did not want to leave. They kept dancing till 9:30, I think, when the lights went off. That's when we were like, all right, we have to wrap it up because of city regulations. So So yeah, this time as well, we're going to have, again, Sharif had mentioned Bollywood, but we're going to have some classical dance performances where we had Gidda, Garba, Bhangra, of course, which is very, very popular. So yeah.
Are these all local groups who are doing it, or anyone coming from other cities as well?
We had Preeta Chabra come from Montreal. She's coming again. And we have Naomi Zaman coming from Toronto this time. So a few, we've gained enough attention that it's good to know that people from Montreal and Toronto want to come as well. So
is there any ticket?
No, absolute
it's
free
all free
admission.
of charge.
Completely free of admission. Yep.
Yeah. And that would not be possible without our sponsors.
That's
so
right.
we don't get public funding. We're raising it all through private sponsors. So TD Bank, Heart and Stroke Foundation, New Mirch Masala Radio, which is running a lot of ad campaigns. And we have Phoenix Homes. We have East India Company. I'm sure I'm missing I'm not mentioning a few. Jack Opal, Royal LePage, and of course Ottawa Festivals. We are a member of Ottawa Festivals as well, and they're providing us a lot. And then of course Rogers TV for being a media sponsor. So yes,
definitely. If there is anything else you want to tell to the audience when they're coming, what is really exciting for the people who are living in Ottawa, and of course they're not from South Asian origin, what do they expect?
I think one of the exciting things is if you're not familiar with South Asian culture, perhaps you can get a really good flavor for, the various different cultures that do exist, because, it's not a homogenous area. There's variations from Pakistan to India to Bangladesh to Sri Lanka. So we try and incorporate that as much as possible. And of course there are differences, but we have our shared sort of similarities as well. So I think it's a really nice way to get a sort of diverse background of various cultures, and you can really learn a lot, and wonderful performances and great food. It's a free day for your whole family, so it's
a family event.
It's a family event, and I think last year we noticed quite a few families would stick around for quite a while. There was a lot of kids, and
it's a beautiful park, actually.
It is. It's quite nice, and we're trying to make the festival greener. So we're really putting a lot of emphasis into being environmentally friendly and whatnot. So I think it's quite good.
Is there any website or phone number you want to give it to the audience in case they want to volunteer some time with you, or they want to join and give you a hand, or anything else you want to say, as you always say on the radio?
Yes, absolutely. So we are actually looking for volunteers, and the more the better. So we have a lot of tasks. We had a volunteer session last weekend. We're going to have another one. So please, our website, www.southasianfestival.org. You can also Google us. You can Google Second Annual South Asian Festival, and we will come up. We're also on Facebook. So again, please just search us, Ottawa South Asian Festival. We will come up on Facebook. So those are probably the best ways to join, get in touch with us, and you can contact me, 613-795-7937, and
I don't know whether I think you're on YouTube or something, but if you have a clip, maybe we can somehow insert it into this. But if not, it's okay.
Yeah,
we're going to send someone this year for sure to record.
Oh, great!
For next year to put it on the show.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much on behalf of Projection Pakistan. It's an honor for me to invite you here, and I hope it's going to be another great success.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank you very much.
दिल मांगे